Yesterday was an event in Grand Rapids that was called #StopTheTraffic. Did anyone hear about that by chance? Didn't assume so. In Michigan, a lot of us would think that because it says traffic, it would be about construction. However, it was more about, human trafficking. How many of you have heard about human trafficking? It is a very simplest definition: force, coercion, or fraud to have someone perform a sex or labor act. Also, someone benefiting money at the freedom of someone else. Today, I hope to open your eyes to some somewhat alarming facts. According to the National Human Trafficking Resource Center, Michigan is number 2 in the country with the amount of human trafficking cases. In 2015, there were 220 FBI cases just in Michigan. It does happen in small towns and large towns. It doesn't know any age or race or ethnicity. The Department of Justice has said that 40% of sex trafficking crimes are children between the ages of 11 and 14, which is alarming. Governor Schneider expanded and created a human trafficking commission in 2013 and has continued to really push what they do. They are focusing on 3 main points. One is to prevent the trafficking, in-depth and ongoing law enforcement information, trying to build a better support system with healthcare officials and law enforcement. They're also trying to build awareness in the community itself. And again, according to the NHTRC, last year there was 436 calls. 140 of them were placed by consumers, just that saw something or thought something was off. It affects you in a community as a potential juror, or maybe there's a case that you're serving on. You have some knowledge of the history. It helps people in their job if you're a hotel manager and you see something a little suspicious or a little off. If you have the knowledge, it can maybe save someone's life. You should especially be concerned when it comes to your children and grandchildren, bringing awareness to them, and especially in the modern age of technology, what they should and should not do, what you can and cannot limit. It's frightening. Their second thing is prosecuting perpetrators, making it higher penalties. They want to be able to seize assets, make it stick on their record, just again, making the penalty stiffer. And they're trying to, through this commission, protect and rehab victims, more proactive. They oftentimes peruse Craigslist looking for potential traps that people could fall into. They call hospitals, reach out to victims to see what kind of assistance they can need, especially when it comes to housing. In closing, there's obviously a lot to be done moving forward as this topic has recently come to light in the last few years. If you see something, follow your instincts, make the phone call. The number is right here. It's a federally trafficking resource center.org. There's also quite a bit of information on michigan.gov. Just search under human trafficking. Thank you.